Wait, did you just delete an important message on WhatsApp and now it's gone forever? Or worse, someone deleted a message before you could read it? Don't panic, because in the next 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to recover deleted WhatsApp messages, step by step, even if you think they're permanently gone. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Deleted messages are not really deleted, at least not immediately. And if you act fast, you can get them back. I've tested multiple recovery methods across Android and iPhone, and I'm only showing you what actually works in 2026. No fake apps, no scams, no wasted time. First, open WhatsApp. Tap the 3 dots, go to Settings, then Chats, and tap Chat Backup. Look at the last backup time. If the deleted message was sent before that backup, you're in luck. Now here's the trick. Uninstall WhatsApp from your phone. Then reinstall it from the App Store or Play Store. Open it, verify your number, and when asked, tap Restore Backup. Within seconds, your deleted messages will reappear. If you're using Android, there's a hidden feature most people don't know about. Go to Settings, Notifications, Notification History. If it was enabled, you can see deleted messages even after they're gone. Now, if you didn't have a backup, you can use trusted recovery tools like Dr. Phone or iMobile Phone Rescue. But be careful, avoid random apps. Most are fake. Deleted text messages are harder. But photos and videos? Go to your phone's file manager. Open WhatsApp, Media. Many files stay there even after deletion. Here's the mistake 99% of people make. They wait too long. And by the time they try to recover, the backup gets overwritten. Turn on automatic daily backups right now. Go to Chat Backup, set it to daily, and connect Google Drive or iCloud. This one setting can save you from losing messages forever. Simple, but powerful. If this saved your messages, you owe me one like, and subscribe for more hidden tech tricks that actually work. Because the next tip might save you even more. Remember, in the digital world, nothing is truly lost if you know where to look.